Here's where the numbers stand in Wisconsin on Wednesday afternoon. The good thing is at our current pace, this number right here, people who have at least one dose of the vaccine in them, will flip over to 2 million people tomorrow with at least one shot of a vaccine in them. And it is a race right now to get vaccines into people. As we've changed the numbers over to look at today's numbers in southeast Wisconsin per population, you see right here, Washington County is driving the spike today, the biggest problem in our part of the state, followed by Waukesha County and also by Walworth County. Those three counties with the most cases per population today in southeast Wisconsin. Mary Jo Ola spoke with health officials in two counties where those cases are most on the rise.
We talked with health departments in Walworth and Jefferson counties about their case numbers. Each had a different take on what they're seeing right now. Are you guys seeing a rise in new cases there in Walworth County?
So we've seen a small rise over the last month from an average of about 3 new cases a day to about 8 new cases a day. But that's still significantly less than our peak in November.
Erica Bergstrom is the health officer in Walworth County. She says they're watching their case trajectory closely.
I think it's really important for people to just continue to use those practices that we have for controlling the spread so that we don't reach a point where we're seeing significant increase. Using their masking, the social distancing, staying home when you're sick, washing your hands frequently.
Jefferson County is a different case.
Are you guys seeing a rise in cases there in Jefferson?
Yeah, absolutely. Over the past several weeks, we've seen a really significant increase, and not just a significant increase, but a really rapid increase in cases.
Samrose Jagvani is an epidemiologist and public information officer for the health department there, where the community has seen a 40% increase from one 2-week period to another.
What that tells us is that's likely event-driven, so folks going for spring break. A number of those cases are also related to isolated outbreaks at 2 of our schools. So we had about 15 to 20 cases linked to those outbreaks specifically. They were really isolated to the teams, to the sports teams.
Jagvani adds cases outside of those isolated outbreaks are also propelling their numbers.
Feels like a small step backwards, but nothing insurmountable and nothing that, we know that the residents of Jefferson County can't come back from.
Neither Jefferson nor Walworth counties have detected variants. However, the state only tests a fraction of cases for variants. Now, both county health officials say it's certainly possible variants are already in the community, given how quickly they've moved in other areas. They are encouraging people to get vaccinated to help control the spread. Mary Jo Ola, TMJ4 News.
Mary Jo, thanks. For a list of locations where you can get a vaccination and information about how to make an appointment, go to tmj4.com/coronavirus.